Audi has just unveiled its latest concept, the Audi E in China. An innovative design with a futuristic edge, the Audi E Concept is Audi's electrifying vision of the future, and it's aiming straight at the hearts of China's tech-savvy auto enthusiasts. With its China-exclusive debut, Audi isn't just rolling out another electric car, it's unveiling a whole new way to experience luxury and power in the EV space, embodying the blend of speed, digital sophistication, and functionality that's crucial for the modern driver. The Audi E Concept's design is a masterclass in sleek minimalism with a purposeful aesthetic. From the outside, it has a wagon-like silhouette, but it's far from a family car. The full-width light bars on both the front and rear add a unique, futuristic signature, while concealed door handles and flared wheel arches give it a sporty, almost concept-like appeal that's closer to a high-performance machine than a traditional vehicle. And while it's distinctly Audi, you won't see the usual 4 rings on this model. Instead, the exclusive Audi brand insignia underscores that this vehicle is part of something new and exciting. Powering the E Concept is a robust 680 horsepower, achieved with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup that delivers a whopping 800 millimeters of torque. That's enough to blast from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds. A figure that puts it right in line with top-tier sports cars, not to mention some of the most advanced EVs on the market. But Audi has engineered the E Concept for more than just speed. With a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, it can go the distance, delivering a range of 700 kilometers on a single charge, so long journeys are well within reach. And thanks to its 800-volt charging system, the car can add 370 kilometers of range in only 10 minutes, a remarkable advantage for anyone on the go. Step inside, and the digital theme truly shines. A massive 4K curved touchscreen spans the dashboard, housing both the driver's display and an infotainment system that's as intelligent as it is expansive. The interface, powered by Audi's proprietary OS, is responsive and ready for anything, featuring an Audi Assistant AI avatar that learns and adapts to the driver's preferences. Digital side mirrors enhance aerodynamics while providing sharp visuals, and facial recognition ensures that the car instantly recognizes each driver, customizing everything from climate to seat position. Overall, the Audi E Concept isn't just a car. It's a bold statement of Audi's future direction in China, embracing electrification, intelligent tech, and design sophistication. It's more than just a showpiece. It's a powerhouse wagon that's redefining what a high-performance EV can be. For Audi fans and tech enthusiasts alike, the E Concept hints at a thrillingly high-tech and luxurious future on the horizon. What do you think of this new Audi model? On a scale of 1 to 10, how many points does it deserve? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.